back to my channel. This is Russel again. And today is Monday ulit. So Monday na naman, giveaway day na naman natin. Pero bago ang lahat, gusto ko lang i-announce yung nanalo sa ating giveaway from last week. So every Monday tayo may giveaway guys. So congratulations to Ashtea. So kung sino ka man, ikaw yung nanalo ng 100 pesos cash for last week's video. To claim your prize, message mo lang ako sa Facebook. And today guys, I just wanna share a good news first. So, na-reach ko na yung YouTube monetization requirements. And nakapag-apply na ako kay YouTube. Hindi ko magagawa lahat ng to kung wala kayo dito sa channel ko. So, I really appreciate all your likes, all your shares on my videos, and especially for the viewers and subscribers. Thank you so much for supporting me dito sa aking channel. At nagawa ko lahat ng to dahil din sa tulong nyo. Kaya, thank you so much everyone for supporting me dito sa aking journey kay YouTube. So ayun na nga, since nakapag-apply na tayo ng monetization kay YouTube, yung video na isi-share ko today is about kung paano ko na-reach yung requirements. Ano ba yung mga ginawa kong techniques kung paano ko na-reach yung 4K hours and 1,000 subscribers. Actually guys, we are already at 2,200 subscribers nung na-reach ko yung 4K watch hours. So isi-share ko lahat yan for today. Pero bago ang lahat, gusto ko lang i-announce, syempre Monday ngayon, giveaway tayo. So, since nakapag-apply na tayo for monetization, yung magiging giveaway natin for today is something na makakatulong talaga kung sino man yung mananalo. Kaya yung magiging giveaway natin today is worth 5,000 pesos cash. Yes guys, 5,000 yung ipapamigay kong premyo for this week. I-announce natin yan next week. So, may mananalo na isa at meron ding mananalo ng consolation prizes for 50 pesos worth of load. 6 yung pipiliin ko sa load na yan. So, yung mechanics, we have 5 mechanics na kailangan yung i-follow. Unang-una, please subscribe to my channel. Then second, like this video. Number 3 mechanics is, share this on your Facebook, on any of your social media accounts. Number 4, please also like our Facebook page, which is RJ's Vlog. Ipapost ko rin yan sa description box, yung Facebook page link. And number 5, comment nyo down below kung bakit kayo yung dapat manalo dito sa ating giveaway for this week. So make sure guys na i-follow lahat ng mechanics, yung 5 mechanics, kasi kapag kayo yung nabunot para sa 5,000 or sa load na consolation prize, i-verify ko rin kung na-follow nyo yung mechanics para fair din dun sa lahat ng sumali. So, follow nyo lang yan guys, and good luck sa mga magpa-participate sa ating giveaway. So proceed na tayo sa ating video for today, which is me sharing the tips and tricks kung paano ko na-meet yung YouTube requirements. So dito guys, bibigyan ko kayo ng 10 tips kung paano nyo ma-reach yung requirements kay YouTube, lalo na sa mga small YouTubers or sa mga bago pa lang as a YouTuber. Number 1 na kailangan mong i-consider is your content, of course. Ano ba yung fini-feature mo na videos? Ano ba yung content mo? Ano ba yung specific audience mo? So for more information guys, I actually have a series with YouTube. Pwede nyo i-visit yung channel ko. Check nyo yung episode 1. Yung detailed information on how to create a great content, nandun yun. So bakit ba kailangan natin ng great content? To be able to reach yung requirements ni YouTube. Of course, kasi yung requirement ni YouTube for this year is 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers. So para maka-gain ka ng subscribers and views and hours, kailangan mo ma-make sure na yung content mo is something na may laman. Kasi kung may laman yung content mo or maganda yung output ng video mo, maraming manonood dyan at marami ding magsusubscribe sa channel mo. So magiging malaking tulong siya guys kung yung magiging content mo is something na pinag-isipan talaga at pinaghirapan at pinaghandaan. So number 2 tip is for you to share your videos, to market your videos or contents. Bakit guys? Kasi, lalo kung bago ka pala, kakagawa lang ng channel mo, halos walang manonood sa'yo, literally. Kasi, sino ka ba at sino ba yung nakakaalam ng channel mo? Without you sharing it to your social media accounts, kung hindi mo yan i-share sa mga friends and family mo, sa mga taong kilala mo, any other means of sharing your videos, of course, wala masyadong manonood sa'yo. So, may hirapan kang i-reach or i-obtain yung subscribers and views or yung hours na kailangan mo. Pero kapag share mo yan sa Facebook mo, sa Instagram, or sa kung anumang social media platforms, malaking tulong yan guys kasi, of course, may mga friends ka naman sa social media accounts mo. So, as long as i-post mo yan, may mga manonood dyan kahit mangilan-ngilan. At kung magustuhan nila yung content, i-share nila, So, mas dadami yung viewers mo. Kaya dapat pag-isipan mo rin yung content mo. Number 3 tip is to upload regularly. Kasi as long as na nag-upload ka on a weekly basis, say for example, 2 to 3 videos per week, mas marami yung chances na mag-boom yung channel mo. Kasi every time na may bago kang video, it's also a chance for you to promote your channel or for your channel na mag-succeed or maka-gain ng more viewers and subscribers. So kaya pag regularly ka nag-upload ng videos, regularly din nadadagdagan yung subscribers mo at regularly din may nanonood sa'yo. So as long as you upload regularly on your channel, kita mo na may increase sa subscribers mo, sa views ng mga videos mo, at makakatulong yan for you to reach yung requirement ni YouTube. And then number 4, make sure na yung title mo is something really catchy. Kasi the title says it all. Pag yung title mo na-catch yung attention ng viewers, of course, magkiklik sila dyan at panonoorin yung videos mo. So, make sure na every title na ginagawa mo, every video, make sure it's something related sa video mo. Make sure na talagang makakatch siya ng attention ng viewers para i-click nila yung video and manood sila. Number 5 tip, it's very important guys. You also need to make sure that your thumbnail catches your audience attention. So thumbnail actually, compared to title, mas unang nakikita ng viewers yung thumbnail mo. Kasi yung thumbnail, mas malaking portion siya compared to your title. So make sure that your thumbnail is something really catchy din. Usually, yung mga effective thumbnail, guys, is yung something na makakapag-leave ng questions sa mga viewers. Yung something na will make them curious. Say, for example, you can use a thumbnail in a form of a question. Say, yung mga paano pumayat in 3 days, paano magka-abs in 1 week. Nakakatch siya ng attention kasi mag-leave siya sa'yo ng curiosity. Magiging curious ka, paano nga ba? Paano nga ba mangyari yun? So, ang tendency, kapag naging ganun yung thumbnail mo, naging curious yung viewers mo, i-click nila yung video mo. That will leave you a chance of gaining them as your subscribers and making them view your video then for your watch hours. Number 6 na tip is to make use of tags, YouTube tags. So guys, meron dyan sa video description or sa mismong YouTube studio, you can have the option to add tags on every videos that you upload. So please make sure na meron kang tags kasi ito naman yung mag-a-apply sa YouTube searches. So say for example, nag-type ka sa YouTube ng how to gain 1,000 subscribers. So yung tinype mo na yun sa YouTube search, yun yung nagmamatter sa tags, yun yung relatable sa tags. Kasi kung ang mga nakalagay sa tags mo sa video mo is something na usually sinesearch talaga sa YouTube when it comes to your topic sa video mo, may tendency na lumabas yung video mo sa results. So make sure na gamitin nyo yung tag. So ang usually na ginagawa ko sa tags guys is unang-una nilalagay ko yung channel name and yung name ko rin. Lagay nyo rin yung full title ng video nyo and lagay nyo yung mga related searches. For example, sa channel ko more on home-based jobs. So usually na nilalagay ko is work from home, home-based jobs, make money online. So yung mga ganun. Tapos specific to the company or specific to the topic na fini-feature ko, ilalagay ko rin siya dun sa YouTube tags. Kasi malaking tulong din yung paggamit ng tags. The number 7 tip is you can also make use of channel activities like giveaways. So, sometimes nagpapa-giveaway din ako kasi it helps you have interaction sa channel mo. So, meron kang interaction with your viewers and your subscribers. So, kapag may interaction ka, say for example, may pag-giveaway ka or any other activities na maisip mo, they will share your videos, like your videos, so that will make you gain a larger audience, a larger group of audience. Number 8 tip is to consider quality over quantity. So guys, dito napapasok yung video quality mo. Yes, it's much better nga na mas marami kang uploads kasi mas maraming possible na manood. Pero kung marami ka namang upload, tapos yung mga videos mo naman, low yung quality niya, so ang tendency, wala rin manonood sa'yo. Kaya kung ang i-focus mo ay yung quality ng video mo, make sure na yung quality ng video and content mo is something na papanoorin talaga. Malaki yung tendency na makuha mo yung subscribers at views na need mo. So, make sure na yung video mo is quality when it comes to lighting, sounds, framing, etc. It's quality over quantity. Number 9 tip na pwede ko i-share sa inyo, you can also use any platforms of promoting your videos or contents. So, meron actually gumagamit ng Google AdWords. So, iba to guys sa Google AdSense. Yung Google AdSense, for creators yan. Doon sila sumasahod. Ito naman, Google AdWords or Google Ads, ito yung ginagamit ng mga advertisers to advertise their business or anything. So, pwede nyo gamitin to si Google AdWords to promote your videos. You can also do that on your videos kasi makakagain siya ng subscribers and mas maraming manonood sa'yo kasi nakapromote yung videos mo. And ang kapalit nga lang is you will be paying for promoting your videos. Last tip that I can share is to make use of YouTube end screen and cards. So, makikita nyo to sa YouTube Studio. So, dun sa edit section of your videos, meron dong end screen. Kasi yung end screen, it will allow you to put a clickable option at the end of your video. So, ibig sabihin, kunyari, I'm your subscriber, pinanood ko yung video mo until the end. So, merong mga recommended videos and playlist na pwedeng i-click nung nanood sa'yo. Tendency niyan, kung magustuhan nila yung video mo, magkiklik sila nung end screen mo at papanoorin ulit nila. That means it will really help you with your watch hours. So, mas tatagal yung duration ng panonood ng subscribers nyo or viewers nyo. Same thing applies with cards. Yung cards naman yan yung nag-a-appear dun sa top ng videos nyo. Clickable din yan na kapag kinlik nila, mapupunta sila dun sa recommended na card, which is also a video or a playlist. Yun lang yung mga tips na gusto kong sabihin sa inyo for our video for today. And I hope na makatulong to sa mga bago pa lang sa YouTube. And please don't forget to like this video kung nakatulong to at kung tingin nyo makakatulong sa inyo to. And share this with your friends and family or sa mga kakilala nyo na gustong mag-YouTube, sa mga kakilala nyo na YouTubers na nahihirapan sa watch hours and sa subscribers. Please also share this with them para naman may idea din sila kung paano mag-grow yung channel nila. Thank you so much everyone for watching this video. Kung bago ka pa lang sa channel ko, please consider subscribing by hitting the subscribe button and the notification bell para ma-notify ka sa ating next video uploads. So thank you so much again guys for watching this video. Bye for now!